Understanding Shake Like a Leaf, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, shake like a leaf. Idioms are a crucial part of English, offering colorful ways to express emotions, actions, and situations. Let's unravel the meaning behind this particular idiom and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, shake like a leaf, is used to describe someone who is trembling or shaking very much, usually because of strong emotions such as fear, anxiety, or excitement. Imagine a leaf quivering on a tree during a windy day. That's how someone might shake during intense moments. This idiom vividly captures the physical manifestation of these feelings. While the exact origin of shake like a leaf is hard to pinpoint, it's clear that the comparison to a trembling leaf has been a relatable and vivid description for centuries. This idiom taps into the universal experience of seeing leaves flutter and tremble in nature, making it an accessible and evocative way to describe human emotions. Let's put this idiom into context with some examples. After hearing a loud noise in the night, I was shaking like a leaf. Before giving the big presentation, I felt so nervous that I was shaking like a leaf. When I finally met my favorite celebrity, I was shaking like a leaf with excitement. These examples show that you can use this phrase to describe a wide range of emotions and situations where someone is visibly shaking. To master the use of shake like a leaf, remember, it's best used in informal settings, like personal stories or casual conversations. Combine it with a description of the situation to paint a more vivid picture for your listeners. Practice using it in different contexts to become comfortable with its application. We hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, shake like a leaf, and inspired you to start using it in your English conversations. Idioms like this enrich your language skills and help you express yourself more vividly. Happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next video.